Emergency broadcast. Please stand by. Emergency broadcast. Please stand by. Emergency broadcast. Please stand by. Emergency broadcast. Please stand by.
A bunch of tall humanoid figures have been reported sweeping through Europe, destroying anything or anyone in its path. They are spreading rapidly and are considered a threat to existence. Get inside and lock any doors or windows nearby. Make sure this broadcast is audible at all times. Many citizens have already been cited dead, and our government has given military services permission to use lethal force to anyone who poses a threat.
Please stand by while we gather more information. Please stand by while we gather more information. Please stand by while we gather more information.
After closer analysis, we have learned that they are high-tech creatures and may mess with analog radio or TV signals. Any signal losses may mean they are nearby.
Please stand by while we gather more information. Please stand by while we gather more information. Please stand by while we gather.
Unfortunately, nothing can stop these creatures, therefore we all have a matter of hours to live. Normal programming will be cut permanently. Once this broadcast ends, we recommend turning off your TV or radio, as they may try to control it. Everyone from Stream TV thanks you all for tuning in over the years. We will end with our beloved national anthem.